Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's November 16th, 2024, and I'm in the Cybertruck Thor, which I absolutely love this truck. And today I thought I'd go ahead and give you, about 8 days ago, I posted a video on our YouTube channel installing the Hansshow 8.2 inch digital rear view mirror, digital display rear view mirror that has two different cameras, one that's a front dash cam and one that I installed just back over the tonneau cover in the back of Thor, the Cybertruck here. And I've used it, driven with it a couple of times now. And I got to say, hands down, this is definitely worth the investment. Now, they sent it to me for free, but I'm thinking about buying two more for other equipment that we have here on site. So a little background. So I've always, because of some spinal injuries, I've had cervical and lower back injuries. I have decreased range of motion with my body. So being able to crank around like I could when I was a kid, and be able to see when I'm backing up. And I haul with a trailer. I'm hooking onto different equipment at different times, 3 different trailers that we have. And, you know, it's a real hassle without having a real good system for monitoring what's going on in the back. And with the Cybertruck, it came with a really small mirror, much smaller than this digital display that came from Hansshow. And with the tonneau cover being closed in the back, you just can't see out the back. So if I wanted to open the tonneau cover, then you can at least see out the back of it. But it's seldom do I drive with the tonneau cover being open. And so when I'm hauling stuff, like having toolboxes or different, you know, pallets of material in the back of the truck, you know, having the ability to use this digital display. So right now we're looking out the rear camera that's above the tonneau cover. So if I go down here, you can see right in the back of my truck, and I'm just going to go ahead and click the tailgate down now, so I could see exactly what's going on in the back of the truck by just adjusting the display here on the digital display. This is absolutely fantastic. You know, do I wish that Tesla would actually ship with a display like this and a camera mounted where I mounted it? And again, just 8 days ago I posted a video so you can see that. You know, and this recording the whole time that I'm driving as well is really nice. So now this is the rear camera and this is the dash camera looking ahead of us rather. And then I can go ahead and say, okay, now this is our front camera. Right now it's recording. I'm going to go ahead and stop the recording. It does record audio as well. So it's just fantastic. You know, being able to use this. I'm just going to go ahead and close the tonneau cover back there, and we'll see what happens with the display. So, and then I can just adjust this so I can see like this. And of course, if I go ahead and put the vehicle into reverse, you can see this is our backup camera right here with the tailgate down. And you see I'm looking at the ground here. My 2 side cameras are working great, but with the tailgate down, I can't see what's behind me. But with this digital display, and it's a beautiful size, 8.2 inches. I think that's probably measured diagonally. The camera quality is absolutely fantastic as well. So I got to give this, you know, an A+. There were some things that was challenging, but my limited flexibility running the cables through this area and turning around and being able to screw the mount in was very difficult for me. But if you're young and flexible and you haven't had spinal injuries, I don't think it'd be much of a problem at all. So I got to give this, you know, a really you know, this is a buy for me. And I know the holidays are coming up, and I'll make sure to put a link in the description with the coupon code for it as well. It's 22% off. Yes, they did send this one to me, but this is top shelf. In other words, I didn't pay for this, but you can get a discount of 22% off their price. So just wanted to share this. After using it, man, I'm sold. I think this is fantastic. So if you have any comments or questions, please leave them in the description below, and the coupon's there and a link as well. And I hope you all stay safe and take good care. Bye-bye now.